a waterfall.
Yeah. Look at
Oh, wow.
Holy cow.
Do you know anything about waterfalls? Do you?
I don't think so.
I just know what they are. What? Oh my goodness. This is information on the waterfall.
Okay.
Oh man, it's squirting me. Okay, so waterfalls, it says on this, is a place where water flows over a vertical drop in the course of a stream or river.
Yeah.
It's very vertical. Check this out. I'll see if there's a stream up there. Oh my, there it is. Wow. And Adam, do you know any places where there's waterfalls? You are a geography whiz.
Well, some places that waterfalls are located is Victoria Falls in Zambia and Zimbabwe, Niagara Falls in Ontario, Canada, and Angel Falls in Venezuela.
Oh, that's right there. Look at this. Did you know Angel Falls, just for a little tidbit of info, is the biggest falls in the world? I think. And guess how tall they are? How tall it is? It is very tall, over 3,000 feet. Now, that's long.
Does any of you know how they form?
No, I just thought they just were there.
Well, when a stream of water moves, it erodes the rock, falls on a steep hill.
Yeah. And it must have some deposition in there.
Yeah.
Deposits the rock at the bottom of the stream.
You see this little trench?
Yeah.
Well, if we're close up on this mossy trench,
Yeah, it like penetrates the ground right there.
that's from years and years of water. See that? Years and years of erosion.
Yep.
Camera woman.
Wow. Wow. And that is
God's green earth.
a good information-filled-ness on the waterfall. Thank you.